Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a WhatsApp backup on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. Alright, to create our backup we need to open up our WhatsApp. Once we are here we need to click on the settings. Now scroll down, click on the chats. Now click on chat backup. And now our backup will be backed into the iCloud. That's the place where it's going to be stored. And below we also have the auto backup option. Currently it's set on off, but we can set the daily, weekly or the monthly mode. For example, let's set it on the monthly, and that means that each month the backup will be automatically made, and I don't need to remember about making it manually. So it's pretty convenient and comfortable feature. If you want, you can pick between one of those modes. I highly recommend that. Let's also enable to include the videos in our backup. And on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you choose to turn it on, in here you'll be able to create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you want to restore your chats, but be aware that if you create that password and when you lose it, you won't be able to restore the chats. So if you choose to create it, simply don't forget the password, otherwise you won't be able to restore the chats. But it's not necessary creating that password. It's like an extra security feature. Alright, and now to create a backup, simply hit on Backup Now button. Now the process will start. Okay, we need to wait until it's finished. Okay, we can see when the last backup was made. It was today at 1 p.m. We have the total size and the size of our videos. And now our backup has been successfully made and it's stored in our iCloud. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.